Hi, in this video we'll see how to use the underscore sign to retrieve the most recent output. This only works in interactive mode. So we can use the underscore sign to retrieve the most recent output like so. For example, 4 plus 5 equals 9. And now 9 is the most recent output. So we can just echo it like so, using the underscore sign. And here we get 9. This is the most recent output. You can use the underscore sign in your code. It'll be just replaced by the most recent output. So, 10 times 3 equals 30. So this is the most recent output. And now we can use it like so. 3 times underscore plus underscore. This is the same as 3 times 30 plus 30, and the result is 120. Now we can use this result in further calculations like so. Underscore divided by 4, which means 120 divided by 4, and the result is 30. Now, here are some examples with other data types: strings, lists, dictionaries, and booleans. Let's start with a string. Here we're creating a string by concatenation and repetition, and the result of the string is "so good." Well, this is the most recent output. And now we can use the most recent output in a print function, for example. And here, inside the placeholder, we can use the underscore sign, which is the most recent output. And here is the result. The weather was so good. Okay. Now an example with lists. So we have two lists, which we concatenate 2, 4, 6, and the other list contains 8 and 10. So our list now is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And now we can use this value, which is the most recent output, in our code. So we're using now the underscore sign, append 12. So this underscore sign now stands for this list. So this is the same as using this list in this place. So let's print our list now. And as we can see, this element was appended to the list. Here we're using an underscore sign to represent the most recent output, and the most recent output is the list with this element appended. How about a dictionary? Here we have a dictionary. Actually, we're using the dict function and the zip function to zip these two lists into a dictionary. And now this is our dictionary. The keys are the capital letters from list 1, and the values are small letters from list B. And now we can use our dictionary, which is the most recent output in code, for example, like so. If D not in our dictionary, do the following. Use our dictionary with the key of D and assign this value to it. And now we can print our dictionary, which is our most recent output. And now we have this new element added to this dictionary, represented in code by this underscore sign. By the way, if you don't know what the dict and zip functions do, I have a video where this is all explained, so feel free to watch it. And now an example with a bool. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Well, and this is true. And now we can use it in our code like so. The most recent output and not the most recent output. So this means true and not true. And the result is false. As mentioned before, we can use the underscore sign only in interactive mode. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.